their sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be a friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I think you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show. So just call on your brother when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'd understand. We all need somebody